Now there's a sound we better get used to. And the reason I say that is because this sound is the sound made by the Doppelmayr Garaventa gondola cars. It's even available on their website. Because, thanks to my investigative skills, I found out that's who's doing a new Skyliner system. I mean, does this building look familiar? Oh yeah, it's exactly like the one at Hollywood Studio. And the Doppelmayr D-Liner system is the state-of-the-art technology when it comes to gondola systems around the world. But how can I be sure that it's the Doppelmayr Omni 10 cars? Well, let's investigate further. This is the one on the London Skyline system, and this is from Doppelmayr's website. Wow, that kind of looks familiar. Where have I seen that before? Oh, I know. Right on the wall at every news station. There's also about 100 articles on it on the web, but I had a really good time making these graphics. And while I've only been able to find pictures of stroller loading on the Doppelmayr system, and believe me, I looked. A lot. What I have been able to find indicates to me that Doppelmayr works on the principles that their cars line up with their sidewalk loading areas perfectly, and there's really no need for a ramp. However, I did find one picture that would indicate that this probably isn't the case, and I think this is probably the way Disney's going to go. Although, like Disney, Doppelmayr has dabbled in the world of moving sidewalks. I mean, you gotta admit, this is pretty cool loading for a chairlift. No, I think they're gonna go with the same system they use in Park City, Utah in this video that was provided to me by Curb Free with Corey Lee. And for this, they're gonna have to stop the whole Skyliner ride at each station. But the big question is, how long is it before we go from this to this? Well, to look at the individual towers, it looks like they're ready to go right now. That is until you come to Hourglass Lake at Pop Century and the Art of Animation resorts. Because although the station construction continues and looks like it's getting pretty close to being done, as far as the mechanics go, they are yet to put a single tower into Hourglass Lake. I mean, they've got them coming all the way up to the edge. There's just nothing inside of it. Meanwhile, over at Hollywood Studios, it looks like they've not only finished all the mechanicals, they've got a majority of the work done on the building. And while I really do like the choice of their stock design, I think they should have gone with the glass design that Doppelmayr makes. I mean, just think of the endless possibilities this would mean for Disney. Just look what they did with this one. And yes, I know it's computer generated. I'm just saying, think about what Disney could do with it. Work also continues at the station by the International Gateway at Epcot, and the T station over in front of the new Riviera Beach Resort is coming along nicely too. And I really have to find a better way to take pictures of the turn that's in front of the Boardwalk Resort. These are just not cutting it. And I think what's going to take the longest time, really, is going to be the training. I mean, these things are complicated to work with. And although I'm sure Doppelmayr will be providing some service, Disney mechanics are going to have to take care of the rest, and this is a whole new field for them. But as far as operator training goes, it looks like they've gone out of their way with the D-Line control system. And I'm still not sure how this control station works all those electrical mechanics we just saw, but it looks like it's an awesome system. And I'm pretty sure that as soon as the cables are up, my heroes over at Reedy Creek Fire and Rescue are already going to be training on how to do the rescues from the gondolas. You might think these kind of high-angle rescues are going to be new and unique to the firefighters over at Reedy Creek, but I don't think you're giving them enough credit for what they already know how to do. Reedy Creek already has its own unique systems that they have to deal with and they respond to on a daily basis. I mean, just check out their monorail rescue procedures. As a former firefighter rescueman, one of the first things I noticed that the towers really aren't all that high. And the firefighters over at Reedy Creek Emergency Services have already come up with unique solutions for unique problems that not many places have to deal with. like this demonstration that would be needed wherever the monorail is over water or over on the High Line over by Grand Floridian. Well, what about those towers that are over Hourglass Lake, over at Pop Century and the Art of Animation? Well, Reedy Creek's going to have to come up with a new system in order to be able to do rope rescues over there. But I have nothing but confidence that my heroes over at Reedy Creek Emergency Services will be able to figure this out in no time. And they'll be figuring out how to do rope rescues from a boat. Although I'm pretty sure with these systems in place all around the world that there's already some kind of a system set up, and Reedy Creek's just going to have to come up with their own training plan for it. And I have no doubt they will do just that. And always remember to keep in mind that this system isn't due to be operational until 2019, so they got a little more time to get it ready for us. Emmy's searching hard for your likes and comments. And if you did like the video, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? And when you do subscribe, don't forget to click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.